Here are two ways to create citations for your papers and annotated bibliographies. The first way, which I recommend, is done through Google Docs. Open your document, then click on Tools and Citations. Select MLA from the menu, and click Add Citation Source. Next, choose the source type. For this example, we're using a journal article that we accessed by a website. The authors are Ethan Sproat and Aaron Doss. I'll add the rest of the information I have available, leaving blank anything I don't have access to. And when I'm done, I'll click Add Citation Source. Now, when I want to do an InText citation, I can just click on Cite from this right-hand menu. I'll delete the pound symbol here because this source doesn't have page numbers. Once I've added all my sources, I'll click Insert Bibliography. For our purposes, we want to change this to say Works Cited. The second way is done through Word, but only the full version. To do that, click on References, then Manage Sources. From here, you can add a source by filling out the relevant information. You can find this information on the source itself via the title page or one of the page's listings on your database. For example, if we look at this landing page for this article by David Bartholomew and Peter Elbow, we can see the information that we should put into the various fields. First, select the source type, which should usually be a journal article. The title is Responses to Bartholomew and Elbow. The authors are David Bartholomew and Peter Elbow, but since there are two of them, we're going to click Edit and add them in one at a time in the order they appear. Then we'll add the name of the journal, College Composition and Communication, along with the rest of these fields. We can also click All Bibliographic Fields if we want to input more information, but what is listed initially is usually enough. Note that I prefer not to use the stable URL, but some people will prefer you include it. Just ask your professor. If we look at the article itself, we can see all the same information: title, authors, journal, version, number, publisher, and publication date. Once we've added this source to our master list, we can add it to this document. And when we want to create our Works Cited page, all we have to do is, from the References tab, click on Bibliography and Works Cited to insert it. We want to make sure that the Works Cited part is centered as well, but the entire Works Cited is generated for us.